Welcome to Jamdung Paradise. Thanks for your support, and now, here are the highlights. In Lauderhill, Florida, a firefight involving Jamaicans resulted in 2 fatalities and 1 person being hospitalized. Just after 9 o'clock on Wednesday night, the Blueberry Hill condos, off Northwest 56th Avenue near Oakland Park Boulevard, reportedly came under fire. The shootout was filmed for over 40 seconds on a neighboring doorbell camera. Following the gunfight, the police discovered 2 individuals surrounded by a large number of guns and wasted ammunition. According to witnesses, a 3rd man ran away, according to investigators. The 3rd man is allegedly connected to a Jamaican artist. After receiving gunshot wounds, he was brought to the hospital. If the person was involved in the shooting, the authorities have not yet confirmed it. At Reading in St. James, a woman's body was discovered floating in the water. According to Carib Loop, Slikianna, a social media star, was found dead in the water off the coast of Reading, St. James. It is believed that the body was shot in the head. Investigation is ongoing.
I'm in the live now.
Lisa, you get me in a trouble.
Remember you box me up, you know.
on, Lisa, man.
Don't come near me. I'm afraid of you. Don't come near me.
Give me the camera.
Don't come near me.
Come, Lisa, come. Come, Lisa. This is not for me, Lisa. You know that.
You see, at this make me not go ever deal back with you, know. Cause you see that man, yeah? I love him. Give you which phone? You buy my phone?
Come, Lisa, come.
You buy my phone, man?
Lisa.
You work and buy my phone?
Lisa.
Give you which phone?
Come, Lisa.
Hey.
Come, Lisa. This is going to create problems.
Yeah, man, problem I go create, cause me nah make.
No, you can't try that. That's how you click.
And you're not going to make them do to me what them did do to me the last time, you know. You're not going to make them stand up and take me away and go give me no mad people injection again, you know. Alright.
Lisa. You can't trouble these things. These things are important things to me, Lisa. Lisa, man.
But they're live.
Lisa, man.
I beg your brother, Charlie 10, something serious is happening here, man. I need your assistance now. The bus is, like it's driving on both sides of the dual way. And, no, this something needs to happen right now. Charlie 10. This is serious. I'm video.
Queenie meets Anthony Miller.
Why didn't you get that on camera? Right? I got it on camera.
Christ. Whatever they're saying, it's in real life.
Yeah, very good to meet you.
I love that how just everything with that with the interview.
Super.
Absolutely. One queen in the pop.
You're delicious. Yes.